To make a USAA credit card payment, start by gathering the necessary information, including your credit card account number, payment amount, and payment method. USAA offers several payment options, including online payments, phone payments, mail payments, and mobile payments. To make an online payment, log into your USAA account on the USAA website. Navigate to the credit card section and click on the Make a Payment button. Enter the payment amount and select the payment date. Then choose the payment method, such as a checking or savings account. Review the payment details and submit the payment. To make a phone payment, call the USAA customer service number and follow the automated prompts to make a payment. You will need to provide your credit card account number and payment information. To make a mail payment, send a check or money order to the USAA address listed on your credit card statement, including your credit card account number on the check or money order. To make a mobile payment, download the USAA mobile app, log into your account, navigate to the credit card section, and follow the prompts to make a payment. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure your payments are made on time. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. You can also set up payment reminders and alerts to help you stay on track. Additionally, consider enrolling in the USAA automatic payment program to ensure your payments are made on time. Every month, by following these steps and using the available payment options, you can easily make a USAA credit card payment and stay on top of your finances. Remember to always review your credit card statement and payment details to ensure accuracy and make adjustments as needed.